The patient that I had was Annie LaDuke. The provider had ordered heparin, 5,000 units. So I'm going to be drawing up 5 milliliters or 0.5 mLs. And then he ordered 20 milligrams of Lasix, and we're going to be given 2 tablets because they're 10 milligrams each. And then she's going to be taking 1 capsule for the potassium. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and draw up my heparin. Okay, cleaning that. Okay, I'm going to use a blunt needle to draw up my medication. And then I can put that in my sharps container, and I put the clean needle on. You can see there's no bubbles or anything. It is at the 0.5. I am using a 1 ml syringe. It's labeled heparin, and then it has the 0.5 mLs, and it's going to be a 25 gauge needle that is 5/8 inch long for the subcutaneous injection. Hi, my name's Rebecca. I'm going to be your student nurse today. Just give me a moment. I'm going to get everything pulled up here, and then I'll get you verified. The doctor's ordered just a little bit of medication. That's what we're going to be doing today, okay? Okay, got you all pulled up. Can you go ahead and verify your name and date of birth for me?
Annie LaDuke, August 11, 1986.
Okay, I'm just going to verify this to your orders. Annie LaDuke. And your MRN is 2518117. Perfect, so we have the right person. Okay, I'm going to get a quick set of vitals. Oh, sorry. I have 130/88. Let me check your O2 stats real quick. And go ahead and check your pulse and respiration. All right, I'm gonna get your records pulled up. Okay, so you've come in today for edema and swelling in your right calf. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you the Lasix. We're gonna make sure everything matches up. So I would scan this in. Okay, so your 611169180 to make sure I have the correct patient. And I would scan in your Lasix, which is D9136A 8FC75079. Okay, and time is going to be 0730. Okay. And everything matches. So here is your Lasix. You're taking 20 milligrams. Okay. So the Lasix, like I said, is going to help with the edema in your right calf. And then it is a diuretic, so it is going to make you go to the restroom a little bit more often. And it is going to deplete your potassium. So with that being said, what I would recommend is that you take it in the mornings. So that you're not waking up in the middle of the night to go to the restroom. Also take it with food or like milk, because it does help if you do get nauseated. Some common symptoms that you may have or common side effects is going to be nausea, vomiting. You may have dizziness, tingling, numbness, or muscle weakness. If you experience any of those, just let us know, okay? And like I said, you are going to deplete some of your potassium, so we're going to make sure that this matches up. Okay, so again, I'm going to scan you. 611169180, and then I would scan in this potassium, so the D942 D048938 Perfect, and that gives me the green light, making sure I have the right patient. Okay, you're going to take 1 capsule for your potassium. The potassium, again, is just replenishing what you deplete from taking your Lasix. And then what I would recommend is to also eat or just incorporate foods into your diet that are high in potassium, like bananas, orange juice. That's going to help you as well. Potassium also has side effects of nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and kind of cramps. So if you experience any of those, you can just let us know, let your provider know, okay? And then the last thing that he has ordered for you is the heparin. So the heparin is just an anticoagulant. It's just going to make sure that you don't form any blood clots. And that's what that's going to help with. So let's make sure we have the right patient for that. Okay. Click it. 611169180. Okay, and the medication is D93D8A77D47F. Okay, we got the green light, so we have the right patient. 0730. Okay, so I'm going to be giving this to you in your abdomen, okay, in your left lower quadrant near the umbilical. Okay, so if I can have you just lift your shirt for me. going to pinch the area and just gonna clean it. Okay, and hold that over it. Okay. So you may feel just a little bit of a prick. Okay, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay. And then I'll just put that in a sharp container. Take this. Oh, sorry. And then just hold that there just in case there's any bleeding. Okay. Like I said, most of them, with the heparin, you may have fever or rash. If you experience any of those side effects that I told you about, you just let me know. Do you have any questions about the medication that I gave you today?
No, ma'am.
All right. Well, if you have any problems, like I said, just let the doctor know and we'll come back, okay?
Thank you.